Have you ever wondered why most airplanes are white? While there are airlines that use other colors, white is still the most common choice. There are several practical reasons behind this. Firstly, white paint is lighter than other colors, which can help reduce the weight of the plane. Every extra pound added to an aircraft can increase fuel consumption and decrease the aircraft's efficiency. As airlines compete to keep their operational costs down, reducing weight wherever possible is crucial. Secondly, white paint is better at reflecting sunlight and heat than darker colors. A white airplane absorbs less heat than a dark one, which can help keep the cabin cooler and more comfortable for passengers. This is especially important for long-haul flights or flights in hot climates where high temperatures can make the journey unpleasant for passengers. Moreover, the lighter color also makes it easier to detect any damage to the aircraft. Scratches, dents or other issues are more visible on a white surface than they are on a colored surface, and this can help ensure that any repairs or maintenance required are done promptly. With the high standards and rigorous safety regulations in place for aircraft, it is critical to identify any potential problems as soon as possible. Another reason that airlines prefer white paint is that it makes their planes easily recognizable from a distance. The iconic white fuselage with the airline's name or logo on it is a familiar sight at airports around the world. It's easy to spot a white plane in the air or on the ground, and this can help passengers quickly identify their airline's aircraft. White paint is also more cost-effective. It's the cheapest and most readily available color to produce, making it a practical choice for airlines. While there are airlines that choose to use other colors, white is still the most popular choice for the reasons outlined above. But some airlines have found creative ways to incorporate more colors into their aircraft designs. For example, Qantas Airlines has used the Aboriginal art of Australia to create stunning and unique liveries for their planes. In conclusion, while white might not be the most exciting color for an aircraft, it is a practical and cost-effective choice that offers numerous benefits. From reducing fuel consumption to keeping passengers comfortable and facilitating maintenance and repairs, white is a popular choice for airlines around the world.